Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to make a temperature calculator that looks like this. So as you can see, I said C to C, and it says this program does not have the formula for C to C. So that's normal because C to F calculator on Google, it does not let me do the same thing. So here it says Fahrenheit, Celsius, Fahrenheit. I choose Kelvin, Celsius. So as you can see, I opened it right over here. And this is a very simple code. You should already know this. I got the boilerplate. You don't really need these. I don't know why you would need. But we just made a title and a script tag and a link. So this is the HTML part. So in the next part, I'll do the script, like the JavaScript part, and then I'm going to do the CSS part. So now let's do a section tag with the ID, no ID. Then select to get the drop down. It has no name, but it is going to have an ID. It's going to have the ID of select 1. Then we're just going to make an option tag with a value of C or Celsius, and then here let's put C, and then I'll just hit Control C, and then it will copy this whole thing for me, and then I'll hit Control V or Command C and Command V on a Mac. C, F, and K, F, and K. And now I'm gonna say a BEM2, copy this and paste it here, and now select 2 and all the same. So you should get something like this. As you can see, it looks the same as this, except this is in a column, this is in a row, but you can see it kind of looks the same. And now we're making a break, horizontal line, break again, which will make this. I'll just search up that temp calculator thingy. So that horizontal line doesn't really change. The reason, let's make another section tag, and the reason why I'm adding so many section tags is because the CSS, as you can see, these elements are centered. But if we select the whole body, then you'll see this horizontal line. It's gonna make a vertical line, so it's gonna be like this, and you don't want that. You want it to stay horizontal. Just move it. So we'll just select all the section tags and line them in the center. Moving on, we're gonna make the input boxes. The type is number. Name is not going to be anything, but before you delete it, let's just put in step, and then let's put step, meaning whenever the user presses up arrow or down arrow, it's gonna increment it or decrement it by 1. You can even do it 0.5 or whatever you want. So 0.5 or 0.5. We'll do the same thing, except it's just gonna go up by 0.5. But I'm just gonna keep it by 1 because it's crazy for that to be there. For it to be 0.5 or whatever. And now let's make a placeholder. But before that, we're just gonna make an ID of fur and placeholder of type here. And now that should be it for this. Now just type in btn and then hashtag submit, and then in these curly braces let's put in submit, which will make a submit button for us to click, and then I'll submit. And now another of that, whatever we did here, so section HR. Now this is the last section tag, and now in here it's gonna be an H1 here and here answer, because this is where we're gonna put the answer. So as you can see, there's an answer here, and if I do F to C and 32, you should know that it's 0. You see it changes. So that's it for this part, the HTML part. And I'll see you in the next video.